You like your sketchbook line art way better than you could create it digitally, or you want to use the exact same line art and just color it digitally on your iPad, then this video is for you. I'm going to share a very easy way to do that on iPad in Procreate App. So let's get into the video. First of all, using my phone, I'm going to scan the sketchbook page. You can also use your iPad to directly take the snapshot, and I'm using Adobe Scan app. You can use any other app. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just sharing my process. That I'm going to adjust it and crop it to my liking, and you can see it is edited in a way that it actually look like I have used a scanner. Now I'm going to import it to my iPad, or if you've already used your iPad, then you can from your gallery. And on the wrench icon, I'm going to add and insert photo and select my photo. Sometimes if you want to use a razor tool to just clear all the stray marks and the parts that you don't want, you can do that. Usually you don't need to do it. There are two ways to color now. You could actually just, like a sketchbook, on the layer above the line art, color it and be careful that you are not coloring on the line art. It's very tedious way of doing things. Another way is to add a layer beneath it, but you cannot actually color it this way because this is a sketchbook page, right? This is not a transparent background thing. So if I remove the background, you can see this white paper thing behind the line art, which is preventing the color layer to show up because it's not transparent. To solve this problem, go to the layer and select blend mode as multiply. Now when you color on the layer beneath it, you can see the color and it's not covering the line art. Is perfect. We wanted exactly this. It's like you have created this line art in Procreate digitally only, and you are just adding color on the layer beneath it. Now I'm going to quickly select my colors and add colors in it digitally. I really like this traditional kind of effect in the digital art itself, and the ability to add colors and give it a finished look is such an amazing way of creating very unique art style with traditional and digital mashup kind of thing. Now I'm adding shadows and highlights, and basically it's so cool, no mess, etc., and you get the traditional vibe. Benefits of digital art, it's like a mixed media thing, best of both worlds, and I love how it's looking. Don't forget to like this video if it was helpful, and leave any emoji if you watched till the end so that I know. And if you want to learn how to create stylized character illustrations in Procreate app, then don't forget to join the waitlist. Link is in the description. This is your reminder to stay hydrated. Thanks for watching.